Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show DBT setup with Snowflake without installation. We need Snowflake account required, so you have to create your own Snowflake account. So no need to install any physical Visual Studio Code or any database required. After login, you would see this welcome page like this. There is a option DBT project. Click this option. Create your project name, like example DBT project, and you have to create your database, warehouse, and schema like this. This is my database, and this is the warehouse. This is the schema you have to create. Once you create, select your role and warehouse. Select your role account admin. In that, warehouse is DBT Snow, and then database schema. Your database would be DBT Snow, the schema DBT Snow, which I created earlier. So once you click on create button here, you will see the folder like DBT project. Once you click on this arrow here, you see all the options, all the folders. By default, it will create two models as per the DBT installation, which is physical installation like that, and CD folder and everything. So how to execute, whether it is working or not, let's check. For that, I have created seed folder inside test CSV data. This is just a sample data which is created. Once you click on here, you will see the DBT project folder. In the profile section, you have to select in the DBT profile.yml file. Everything is available. Just Snowflake, role is account admin, DBT Snow, everything, schema, database. I just given DBT Snow. After that, environment is there, and here you need to select. I select a different option like seed. Here, additional flag, double select test. Test is my CSV file. So once we click on here, just execute. But here, DBT 1.94 and seed one file, test file is run, 6 rows inserted, status is completed, pass 1, and finally command execution finished. Now we will see whether the data is inserted this table or not. So I have created. So this is my database schema and table. I'm just running this. See, data is available as per the CSV file. That means CSV file data loading with the Snowflake database. So this is all about how to set up DBT with Snowflake without installation. Thanks for watching my video.